Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Instagram account. This video is very useful for you who wants to create a new Instagram account. This tutorial works on iPhone and also Android. Now I'm using iPhone, but don't worry, the process is the same as in Android. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's open Instagram app. After opening Instagram app, to create a new Instagram account, just tap create new account. Here, there are some options to create Instagram account. The first, you can use your Facebook, and the second, you can sign up with your phone or email. Choose the one of them. If you want to create Instagram account by using your Facebook, your Instagram data will be taken from Facebook data. And if you want to create Instagram account by using your phone or email, so just tap sign up with phone or email. You can choose to enter your phone or email. Here I want to enter my email. After entering your email, you can just tap next, and after that, Instagram will send a confirmation code to your email, and then you can just open your email and click confirmation link. After tapping that link, you will be directed to confirmation page, and then your Instagram account will be created. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in creating a new Instagram account. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, and also if you have any question about how to create a new Instagram account, you can give comment below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. If you like my contents, you can subscribe now and don't forget to turn on notifications so that if I upload a new video about social media tutorial, you'll be the first person I notify and you'll be able to watch my latest video. Thank you.